All right, this is at the University of Iowa Memorial Center ramp, I think. Oh, it's glass. Up to 7. Oh, and it's got the VFD. Cool. That is that is the type of elevator that I'm like, why? I really don't know why they would have made it scenic, because it's back to 7. And back down to 1. See up? Not really. This is definitely a much older garage. I think this is older than the elevator. And there it goes. And that's it.